Hay balers are as advanced as they come nowadays, with plenty of features incorporated to produce bales of different sizes and densities at the push of a button. But all the technology in the world means nothing if the machines are too complicated to service or use. Dutch hay equipment specialist Lely recognizes this and has designed its newest range of round balers based on serviceability and user-friendliness rather than bells and whistles.
RP 160V, it's a 1.6 metre high bale. It replaces our previous 400 series machines, which were RP 420s, 435s and 445s. On the servicing side, for our central greasing points, longer service intervals in different parts, and cost of ownership comes into that side of the equation.
In improving usability, Lely is certainly not skimping on features customers want and love.
So one of our major improvements in the new series of balers is the improvement to the net coverage of the baler. It fundamentally looks very similar to our previous models, but it's what happens after the net starts to enter the bale where there's been major improvements in this series of baler. Some of that has got to do with a movable net roller, so it allows any chaff and leftover matter to fall free of the entry point of the net wrap. And also too, where the net enters in onto the bale, the entry point has been widened for a better, more precise entry into the bale itself. Camless pickup, we've got a new generation now, which is improved on the previous range. So one big advantage with the camless pickup is eliminating the number of moving parts for servicing and life of the machine.
With the new range, customers can opt for the classic model with a more basic setup or the extra model with rotor feet, 13-knife or 17-knife configurations.
On our RP 160V series, it comes with a hydraulic fold-down floor for unblocking the machine when an obstacle or a clog happens. Also too, we have the front edge of that floor on springs so that it actually prevents blockages in the first place. We have a centralised drive unit that drives out both sides of the baler so that we get even drive to the bale chamber and also to the rotor, allowing high horsepower transfer, getting better, higher output.
Centralised servicing points make maintenance and daily checks a breeze for operators. Isobus compatibility on the machines also means drivers can operate the balers using their own tractors and terminals. Pricing for the RP 160V range starts from $66,000.